Our whole process took about an hour and 15 minutes. Deep conditioning days are really long, obviously, because of the extra time spent deep conditioning your hair, but it's also like really important because it helps to restore and nourish the hair, and I really like that. I can definitely tell there's a difference when I deep condition versus when I don't, but my hair does feel really soft. I really like the lineup of products that I'm using currently. So what I'm gonna do first and foremost is apply the Matrix Food for Soft, which I used last week. The moisturizer I'm going to use today is the Salon line. So this is a conditioning comb cream and I really like it. Okay, so we're all done. This is how my hair is looking. I am now gonna go in with my holding spray from Amika. The other day, this piece of my diffuser fell out and I was freaking out because I was like, wait, I just got this. Like, you know, the whole reason why I made this investment, yes, it's an amazing blow dryer, but also for the diffuser because I have curly hair. Come to find out, this is like detachable. And I was reading the instruction manual and I was like, wait a second, what are they talking about? Because in the instruction manual, it says like the diffuser has two options. This one for a more like concentrated, and then this one where it's more, it covers a wider area and it disturbs the curls less. But I thought they were talking about a different attachment. But no, it's the same diffuser attachment. So I'm gonna use some heat because otherwise it will take forever to dry. Anyways, I'm gonna apply some of this. I'm almost done with this gel, and I try not to like reapply too much of this gel throughout the week. But the thing is, I wash my face, and when I wash my face, I get up all in my edges to remove any products because I tend to break out. If I leave products that are too heavy or that flake or whatever the case is on my hair, it's gonna break me out. So I'm gonna pin it. I like the look of when it's pinned back. This is what the hair is looking like. I'm gonna do a little swoop. And this is the hair all done, you guys. This is the back. And that is my moisturizing slash deep conditioning wash day routine. This is my favorite wash day routine that I've implemented so far because I'm able to like really deep condition my hair, really get my moisture back in, really nourish my hair. And I can definitely feel a difference when I do that versus when I don't. Currently, I'm only doing like 2 deep conditioning wash days. So I don't know, I might have to include deep conditioning every wash day regardless of what type of treatment I'm doing that wash day, just because of how my hair feels. It feels super moisturized, it feels super soft. So that's something that I definitely will have to think about. To see how this hairstyle holds up throughout the week, please subscribe to the channel because I will be uploading a week in my hair, and that video will be the next video that goes up. But as for today, that is all for this video. I'm gonna give you guys one last look at the hair, one last look at the curls, okay? And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.